Hey, Mr. Pugh. The experimentation of finding a rate on my own. And this is a marble run, so I'm calculating the acceleration and speed for a marble over some distances and also comparing them to a bouncy ball. So, first of all, the first component is I believe it's a 25-degree downward slope. And then that moves into a 45 sort of degree slope. As you can see, there's a big difference. Then I've built a structure out of Lego, which is completely flat, to see if the speed increases or decreases. And you know how in Legos there are bumps on the top? So I used the bottom part on the top and the top part on the bottom. So it goes, then there's a turn here. And in my science report, I also calculate the acceleration when it turns, as there's a different rule for that. It turns here. Then it goes straight. There's a slight slope, if you can see. There, it's going down by a little, right? And then it goes drastically down, so it's like a slide. And then this is the finish. So this is the bouncy ball, this is the marble, which I'm going to be using. And this is my marble run track. Three. Two. Three.